Hi, I'm Eric from Anker DB, and I'm going to show you how you can use our Revit plugin to interact with Anker data. So the first thing you need to do is head over to ankerdb.com and hit sign in. Sign in with your user, head over to the download section to the left, click Revit plugin, download that and install it. Just accept the agreement, click next, select which Revit versions you want to install. I only have 23 and 24. Then just go through the setup and Anker will be installed. And be aware, if you have Revit open, when you do this, you will need to restart Revit.